Hi, I'm chiazokaerondu and I'm a bartender. Yes, you heard me right. I spent half a decade working behind the bar before I ever pivoted to YouTube editing. And if I'm being honest, that part of me is still very alive and always excited to find expression. So in this vlog, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how I run a mobile bar from home while also being a video editor. Welcome to my vlog.
Yep, Arsenal gang.
I like this camera.
DJI Action 4.
Can I get camera?
We're feeling much better. We're back to life. Where the water? Ma, I beg. I know let my way get water. Hi guys, good morning. This week I wanted to give you guys a behind the scenes look on running a mobile bar or a side business while being a video editor. It's part of my life I've never really shown on here, so I wanted to give you guys an idea. When we're talking about a mobile bar, we're basically making drinks for events. So there's the ingredients part of it, which is the things that you need to buy to make the drinks. And then there's the perishable parts of it, which are the things that you need to add to the pouches to garnish them, right? If you didn't know, I'm making two orders. One is in drink pouches and another one is in like plastic bottles. If you watched my former vlog, you saw the bottles I ordered from China. If you didn't, I will leave a link up here to that vlog. It's right there. So someone decided that they wanted to try those bottles, so I'm making an order in those bottles. That's basically all I have to do today. I want to have my bath now, have some tea to drink. I typically will not have breakfast, but I need to have some tea to drink this morning just so I can feel a lot better. And yeah, get to work, lock in, and hope that by 4:30 I should be done. I'm also thinking, instead of spending, because my plan was to do like spend the day with me. But like if you guys see me buying the things for my events, you guys might want to also see the behind the scenes of how I make the drinks and how I do the deliveries. So I might as well just do all of that. I don't know how that's going to work, honestly. My action camera is what I'm going to take out with me, but I don't have an ND filter yet. I ordered one from Temu, but it hasn't come. My sister gave me one, I lost it, so I had to order myself one, but it hasn't arrived. So I don't even know how my camera is going to do outside when the sun is out and it's super bright. I don't know how the footage is going to look. So yeah, we'll figure that out when we get there, but let's get ready for the day. So it's currently 5 p.m. I'm really just enjoying the flow of my edits. I don't want to leave. I don't think I'm going to go to next cash and carry or the market anymore. I think I'm just going to do that tomorrow so I can finish this video and send it over to the client. I'm having such a swell time, and this happens a lot more often than you realize. Is that there's just certain videos that you just love editing. Like once you're in the flow, to now leave it and go and do something else and then come back, it just kills your vibe. So now that I've been in the flow all day, I just want to finish it. I am having tea again. This is also my first meal of the day with some toasted slices of sourdough bread. Our day did not go as planned, but that's okay, you know, because we're being productive. Let's actually focus on what I bought. I bought this 3-piece, like a strainer set, because we don't have a good one. Next thing I bought was like a pack of tissue, nothing special. I bought the extra virgin olive oil, but this is the olive oil I bought. This is called Vita, and it's about 750 mils. The one I had before is almost finished. This is this one. Then I also found chili flakes, which I've been looking for a long while. Then I bought this soya spice, just so that when I buy protein or any other thing I'm using for my weight loss, I can easily just spice it up, even with like eggs and stuff. I was trying to find Titus sardines. I didn't find, so I bought this mangrove one. My friend, the gangster chef on Instagram, she basically was one I heard about this brand from. So I was like, okay, let me try their sardines. It's very light and doesn't have as much protein as Titus. So I also got some tuna flakes in vegetable oil. I tried tuna once. I didn't really like it. This was like maybe 2 years ago. So maybe with soya spices and maybe some a little other things, I might actually like it. So I want to give it a try again. I bought bell peppers again, gino, tomato, and pepper. And I bought this because I found bulgur wheat, which my sister has been advising me to eat in exchange for rice. So basically like an alternative or a substitute to rice. I want to make it into like jollof, which is why I bought these. Something else I also bought was, I've been seeing these people's ad. They're called Add Me. You add to your pasta mix, and I have some penny at home that I haven't eaten in like 2 months. So I'm thinking of trying this. Chicken chunks, dried vegetables, and white sauce mix. So it's kind of like creamy pasta. Chicken breasts. It's already spiced because they said that because they just opened, they're having some, like they haven't put pricing to their regular chicken breasts. So I can only buy this one, which is like the already seasoned shawarma chicken breast. So I'm going to try this. And I'm also very curious to know how many kg this is going to give me, because the last one I bought from H Medics, I spent about 9,000 something and I got 800 grams of cooked chicken breast. So I'm very curious to know how many grams I'll get here for the same 10,000. Anyways, that's my haul. I'm going to have my bath, get something to eat, and then I'll see you guys at work. We're not really doing anything for my business again today, besides like putting stickers on the pouches and on the bottles, just to kind of get them ready. The bottles as well, I'll have to wash them, but I don't think that I'll do that today. The only thing left for me to do is order some alcohol and lemon juice, and those can be delivered to me. I don't necessarily have to go to the market until Friday, which is when we're going to be buying the perishable items. The mints, lemons, yeah, I'll see you guys and pick you guys up again if I have anything to do as pertaining to my business. Good morning, guys. I know that I look a hot mess, but my period came and I'm doing absolutely nothing today. I really wanted to eat my creamy pasta with the admi, but I have no energy, so I'm just going to order food. I have my hot water bottle here, and I'm just going to lay on this couch till the day becomes dark. I tried to chest the cramps, but it just kept getting worse, like every 15 minutes. So I've had to take medication. I tried to avoid it, but it's not always successful. And this month is one of those months. Okay? Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlogs. This is Friday. We're feeling much better. We're back to life. Can you tell? I am getting ready to in fact, I'm not getting ready. I'm actually ready to go to the market. This is my DJI Action 4. Can you guys see? She looks nice. She looks good. She's very compact, but she doesn't do great when there's no lights, okay? And today is a gloomy day. It's not sunny at all. But we're going to try to get some footages of us in the market and stuff. Let me show you guys the pouches. So we have 50 pouches here. This is what they look like. They're basically just like drink pouches for cocktails. And then once I'm back from market, I'll put the stickers. These are the stickers. And then the bottles are here. And all of that will, like stickers will go into it as well. I will show you guys what we got when we're back from the market. We'll kind of do like a haul of everything I bought, everything I have. Because I'm not buying everything from scratch. I have some things on the shelf, right? Which will be part of the things that we use for the cocktails, the mocktails, the whatever. I give you guys the haul and then I will just clock into work super fast. I'm going to make the drinks, like I said before, probably tonight or tomorrow morning. Most likely tomorrow morning. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but yeah, we have to run, okay? It's currently 8:30 a.m. So I should be back home 9:30 or 10 at the latest.
Good morning.
I want lemon today.
Lemon, how many pieces?
Like 2,000, yeah.
3,000.
2,000.
Lime, how much?
I don't want lime.
Only lemon.
Only lemon.
You want dash me that one?
Now my camera, you won't enter my video.
No, I will not enter.
Then I want cucumber as well. Cucumber.
How much?
Give me 2,000.
2,000.
Thank you. I get my bako back here. No, I don't need barrier yet. Cucumber.
Big one also.
Small one. Money. I know one barrel. 1,000 then. What of lemon?
I'll bring it for you.
Where is they? Why you know they here? Ah, no like that.
You know like this one? Wait, you know what?
Who won't give me kale that time? Kale.
I like this camera.
You like
I
Amba?
like camera.
Buy am for your work. Like, go they post am for TikTok. Video yourself as they do. Attend to custom. I no go dash
I want
you.
make it person with that.
No, I no go dash you. Where the kale? No, I don't want this one. No, I don't need. I need POS. 10,000.
This one na camera.
A camera. Wait till they come. No worry, I'll go there by myself. This one 2,000. They're no big, they're too small.
No, I
I no go feed.
No, what are they inside?
Water no dey. See as it's strong.
Make her open it.
Money points. Oh, no give me any lemon where I no go fit use. Oh. I no get energy for that. Account number. Where the water?
Open ya.
Ma, abeg. I know lemon wey get water. No do that kind of thing for me, abeg.
No like this one?
No. Kami Suba?
Yes.
Joy coconut syrup.
I get camera.
I mean. Joy coconut syrup.
Yes.
Good. Okay, you know what? Shobi, I can sit down here and wait for my car.
No need to ask. No, man. You are my staunch customer, man. Stand up. Sit down here.
But my dear acquaintance, who is a boat driver, the one that always comes pick me up, said to wait 30 minutes so he can come and pick me up. Because his car is not good. So I'm just going to sit here for 30 minutes and kind of scroll on my phone. Yeah. And it's currently 9 minutes past 10 a.m. So hopefully I should be home by 10:30 or 10:45. I'm very tempted to like buy groceries now that I'm here because I haven't been to Wuse market in a really long while. I don't think I will. I will resist temptation. So vlogging is not easy. You have to bring out. First of all, you're living your life, and you have to consistently remember to bring out your phone. Aye. And not just bringing out your phone, but like capturing the things that you're doing in a way that actually is watchable and enjoyable by your audience. Because I realized mid-filming that vlogging is actually not easy. And then let's not even talk about the stares that people give you. Oh my gosh. Nigerians are a very funny breed of people. I love us.
It's already recording.
Yes. Hi guys.
It's actually super clear.
This is Praise and we just finished chilling. Now we're heading to our second spot.
Yep, Arsenal gang.
Good morning guys. So it's finally event day. The first thing on the agenda, I already labeled all my pouches. I put the stickers, everything I did last night. So I'm going to be using my work table to make the drinks. So I'm just going to clear it and like take everything off the table and put them on the couch and move the table out from against the wall. And we're going to start. We're going to start with the bottle orders first. I already labeled them. So I'm just going to make that because that order is supposed to be delivered at 10 a.m. and it needs to leave at 9. And this is currently past 8. It's just 15 bottles. So it's not that serious. And then I'll get started with the ones that are going out at 12, which is 50 pouches. So let's begin.
Thank you very much. The cocktails were amazing. They were sweet and strong, just like you promised. Like they were great party starters. Matter of fact, like all my friends were so lit. Like they were so lit.
Okay guys, so we're finally done. I literally just had to put the camera down and lock in because I was already running out of time. It was already 10 and I had like an hour to make the 50 pouches and send, and I knew that I couldn't film while doing that, so it was an oversight on my part. I didn't really plan because I haven't filmed any behind the scenes of running my business before, so this was my first time. I hope I did a semi-good job, and hopefully I do better next time. But I really just wanted to bring you guys into the process to just kind of give you an idea of like my multiple sources of income. If you have any questions about running a mobile bar or like making cocktails and mocktails, please leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer. If I need to make a whole new video, I'll try to make a whole new video if I can. And I hope we are able to do this next time. And if we do, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.